What's going on, YouTube? We're here in a wood shop, my small little tiny wood shop, and we're going to make a table today, like a little end table. I don't know, a tray or whatever. Not really a tray, but an end table where you can put your stuff on, watching TV, you want to put your food on. It's going to be a very small table. I'll show you here. So here we have the piece of wood that I'm going to use. Oops. This walnut here. It's kind of flat on one side, and this other side is kind of curved or warped here on the edges here, but we're gonna leave it rough. What I'm gonna do, or the ideal I'm having, is that I got these other 3 pieces of some other walnut that I cut from, just from the shop laying around. I'm thinking about putting one leg here, 2 legs in the back, so kind of like this wheelbarrow look, but I think it'd be kind of awesome. Only thing I need to measure is to make sure that these are the appropriate length, and so it's tall enough, and then we're just gonna go from there and see how that turns out. This should only take a while. I can sand this down. Once I get the right length, I'll screw these in, cut them to where I want it to be, and maybe an hour, I'm thinking, and I'll be done. All right, so here we go. In the tiny wood shop. This is probably the smallest wood shop on YouTube, just to let you know. It's messy. I know it's messy, and we're gonna get back started to this table here that I'm gonna build. The idea I have, I'm gonna sand it up, make it look nice, and see how it goes. I don't know.